Hi, I'm Rod Richards and this is my colleague Luke Lynn, and we both proudly represent Mick & Real Estate Point Cook. We're here to show you 35 Cloudy Crescent in Point Cook. It's an amazing home. Come and have a look through with us. This truly is a home for the large family, which offers 3 living areas, a central fully equipped entertainer's kitchen with a massive island bench, 2 alfresco zones plus heating and cooling throughout. This home is located on 644 square metres of land. It's turnkey ready, and with the rare bonus of the wide side drive to access another double garage, this amazing family-friendly home is sure to please. Opposite a park and amongst other luxury homes, this special property is located only a few minutes to the Featherbrook Shopping Centre, Point Cook Town Centre, schools and freeway access.
中国有句话，走上青云路，步入人生巅峰。35号 Cloudy Crescent 路名吉祥，难得机会在此中心街区拥有一套物业，请联系林正亮看房。